Guys, we're here again. Always not familiar with the terrain that we have to encounter. This is just a small clip of it. Yeah, we came up here last night and the journey was hectic, but we prevailed. People fell down, collapsed. We panicked, I must admit, but the militants in me and my team made us competent enough to pull through. Right now we're on a trail setting up what do you call
I go exercise.
a little orienteering exercise. Teamwork, right? Because it's team building. Hard working men at rest. So the fruits advertising. Yes, the terrain is very rough and rugged. Stones mark the trail. That's a precipice. Right. So it's very dangerous, guys. Children, do not do this at home. I should say. Do not venture here unattended, guys. Right? We came up here in the night, as I said earlier, and it was not a nice challenge for us. I'll make another video soon because I need to finish up this exercise. So I'll talk a bit later.